beautiful morning. Okay, lost my second pair of scratchers, and I mentioned that in the last video. I should have used some blue THREADLOCKER, and I did not, so I purchased another set, very similar. You can go in reverse with those, they're flexible, they will attach as is, get in the snow. The original hole is a 3/8. That one is a little bit wider. I want to keep that for standard scratchers, just in case of. I'm going to poke one about like an inch further and go from there. So applying blue THREADLOCKER on that in such temperature is not the best. However, I have to take a shot and I can redo that later. But I'm going to enjoy the beautiful weather and a cold temperature today to do a nice ride at the mountain. So let's go. Okay, let's double check it's proper diameter. Yep. Actually, I may put that directly on. You should even put some red THREADLOCKER if you have. Highly advised. And yes, it is not the optimal temperature to do such at all. But like I said, I have to go on a ride today. I want to make sure I got some scratchers, because I will go through areas where you don't have deep snow for several miles. Okay, just need to tighten it. And I'm advising generally 40 foot-pound torque on such. Just make sure it is very tight. We're going to tighten that a little bit more. But that's how it's going to look. Pretty easy, pretty quick, and you see it's stabbing the snow, and it's going to create a nice spray of snow on the track and the rail. Here we go. Tighten that one and go do the second one.